Hi, I'm Helena, and in this quick tutorial we will see how to get free trial on Paramount Plus. First, navigate to paramountplus.com, or you can use my affiliate link down in descriptions of this video. If you choose to use my affiliate link, you're choosing to support me and my work here on YouTube. So, after you found your way to Paramount Plus, click Try It Free. Next, you're asked to pick your plan for your free trial. You can go with monthly plan or with annual plan. You can also choose between Paramount Plus Essential, which is slightly cheaper, and you can also bundle Paramount Plus with Showtime. Next, you're asked to create an account, so fill in your details. Next, you're asked to choose your payment method after the free trial, so you can use a credit card or PayPal. After you've filled in your payment method, click Start Paramount Plus and start watching. Keep in mind that you can cancel at any time during your free trial without getting charged. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.